This is why you need pressure washing in Cape Coral, fast. The Florida humidity isn't just tough on you, it's tough on your house too. Let's fix that in seconds. In Cape Coral, mold and algae love to cling to your siding, driveway, and patio. But pressure washing blasts all that away, instantly boosting curb appeal and protecting your surfaces from damage. It's eco-friendly, saves you hours of scrubbing, and keeps your home healthier for your family. Want your place looking fresh? Call All Seasons Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing today and see the difference for yourself.